Welcome back, guys. I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and I'm back with Chris Record. And today we're going to talk about what are product launches. So Chris, give us an idea of, tell us exactly what a product launch is.
Yeah, so ideally almost every single business that wants to unveil a new product does what's called a product launch. Think Apple with their iPhone. So if Apple comes out with a new iPhone, let's say like the iPhone 8 or the iPhone 10, what they'll do is they'll have an announcement date that it's coming. There's a big announcement at this certain date, and then they'll unveil it, and then they'll have sales just go crazy because of that. Or think like Tesla. Tesla will launch like a new car, they'll have a date, they'll open it up, it'll go crazy. Or think like Kim Kardashian or Kylie or any of these people, she'll launch a new cosmetics line and she'll announce that it's coming. She'll announce the date, and in 1 hour, she'll like literally sell out. Yeah. These are called product launches. What we do is we do them online. We do what's called digital product launches. The same thing that Apple does, or Tesla does, or Kylie Jenner does. The same thing that they all do, except our product is digital, which means that we can sell as much as we want of it for whatever price that we want, and we can create all this hype and all this buzz, and sales come flying in. For example, let me give you a breakdown. Back in 2014, I did my very first digital product launch. The course was called Dark Post Profits. It was a Facebook advertising course. So what happened was I wanted to learn how to advertise on Facebook, and I couldn't find any course that was good for beginners. Everything was so advanced, so complicated, I didn't think I could do it. So I said, why don't I create a course for beginners? So I went very, very basic, and I said, here's how you set up an ads account. Here's how you use Ads Manager. Here's how you place your first ad. Here's the dimensions you need to know. Very, very basic, and I sold the course for $100. But what I did was I announced, this course is coming. It's gonna launch on this date. I built up all this hype and excitement, and then I announced it for that date, and because of all that momentum, it did around $100,000 right around its first month or so. But what's even cool is that I didn't just close the doors on that. So every single month, sales continue to pour in, and that product launch did over $500,000. Now, in order to do a product launch, what you need is you need an idea for some type of like a course or something digital. You could do software, that gets a little complicated. I would say, think like Udemy, or think like a Teachable, or one of these basic courses where you go online and you could watch videos. Think like lynda.com. If you were to create some tutorial videos or some training videos on any subject, you could sell them for $7 or $21 or $97, or maybe you're so good, you could sell that whole course for $2,000.
Right.
Whatever it is, you create these like little tutorial videos, you put them into a membership site, and then you basically say, I'll give you access for $100.
For $100, right.
And then all you do is you get a merchant account, very, very simple. You could use PayPal, or I recommend Stripe. So like little things like this, and we'll get into tools in a second, but watch how simple this is. I record a few videos on my computer using QuickTime or whatever. I don't even have to show my face. I put them into a membership site. I set up where somebody has to pay to get access, and it's all automated. I don't have to know any coding. I don't have to really know any graphic design. I don't have to know any HTML or PHP or anything like that. I literally just press record, do my videos, upload them into a membership site, and tell people that they can buy them. And from there, you buy them, you get access, you're all good. And the only other thing I might have to do is a little bit of customer support, and it's basic. So if I'm charging $100, maybe my overhead is like $10 per customer to like pay some customer support or something, and I'm keeping 90% of that profit. Right? That's how powerful this can be. So digital product launches primarily is where you create some content, put it into a membership site, and make it available for sale online. But the cool thing is, here in 2018, is that you can find affiliates to go promote your course for you, so you don't even have to do any advertising. What I could do is I could have a great course for $100, let's say, and I go, Brian, would you be willing to promote this course? I'll give you $50 for every sale you make. Now, Brian's gonna go out to his audience. He's gonna promote this course with an affiliate link, and every time somebody joins, I'm able to pay him $50. $50. That's free advertising for me. 50 for you, 50 for me. Or what I might be able to do is I might be able to go on Facebook and place some ads for people to come watch a video to learn about my course. So I might spend $50 to get somebody to buy my course for $100. But you know what's cool about that? Is that you might say, oh, $50 seems like a lot of money. Well, if I could spend 50 to make 100,
100.
then I could spend 500 to make 1,000. I could spend 50,000 to make 100,000.
AKA scaling.
It's scalable. Maybe I spend 50,000 a week to make $100,000 a week. So you guys, if you're brand new, digital product launches are one of the best ways to be able to make money out there, even if you're a beginner. And you know, you might be thinking like, what should I do it about? How should I make my course? What tools should I use? Tell me more. And I think in the next video, we're actually going to cover some of that.
We are going to talk about the tools. So that's it for today, and we'll talk to you guys later.